First off, thanks for coming through and taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate that. But I have to let you guys know that nothing I say is financial advice, and I'm not responsible for any wins or losses you take while trading, and I am by no means a licensed financial advisor. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into this video. Any tips on knowing when to extend impulse range versus start a new one in the live market? So the best way to answer this is kind of just like relative move. So for instance, if you have an asset that does this, and this is your swing range, your overall big, massive move. Like an impulse move is each one of these legs to me. But if you're talking about the actual swing, so if you're saying you're right here, and this is your overall range, we'll say price does this and barely pops up and then comes back down. I'm not going to say, oh, well, we had another range here, and then now we've got another range here. And that's when you start kind of getting all over the place. But I think you just extend the range. If the price of an asset has a normal swing in price that, we'll say it's like this big, and you can kind of just tell this by looking at the chart. We'll say this is your swing, and you come back down, and you make another massive move. Yeah, you can say, okay, well, now we have a new leg in price. It's just kind of relative to how much that asset usually moves. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you want access to the private Discord, use code CASPER, all caps, to start your free trial. That's where I provide my trade signals, teach my private classes, and you have access to one of the best trading communities out there. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my content, and if you ever have any questions, feel free to hit me up on any of my social medias. They are all down in the description with the link to Playbit. Have a great day, and remember, if you can't see the liquidity, then you are the liquidity.